Hey Spy Ninjas, we just gave Regina a lie detector test and the results came out super suspicious. So we really need to uncover what really happened to Regina because we got the footage from the entrance ceremony that Daniel had.
We saw that Project Zorgo used B235 fog on me and it made me forget my memory and everything.
But Regina still has all of her memories, but they're really weird memories that the lie detector test said are lies. So we need to figure out what happened to Regina. So we're gonna sneak into Project Zorgo headquarters. Last time we snuck into Project Zorgo's headquarters, we went in disguise as hackers and used hacked key cards, Domino's cards, to get our way in. But I think they're gonna be suspecting that this time, so we need to do something different.
Since the Black Pyramid is in the middle of Las Vegas, there's a ton of tourists there all the time. So I think instead of going undercover as hackers, we should go undercover as tourists. They won't expect that at all. Let's tourist up! Now that we're ready, let's go discover Regina's past!
To the Black Pyramid!
Spy Ninjas! Wait, guys, we gotta try the safe code. It's a new day, so a new code.
I got one right here. Joanna Alera says maybe the password is 3814. Yeah, because it spells Chad.
You're so smart, Joanna.
Incorrect.
Good guess, Joanna.
Leave a comment below what you think the code would be and help us out to open this safe.
All right, to Project Zorgo headquarters.
Let's go!
Okay.
Oh, guys, we're here.
Keep your eyes out for hackers, everybody.
There it is.
Yeah.
Blend in, everyone.
Blend in like a tourist.
Vegas is so beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, yes. Hey! Post that on Instagram. Here's all of our Instagram links right here. After the video, check it out.
Let's divide up here. Me and Regina, we should go to the top of the Black Pyramid, and you and Chad should go to the basement.
Let's do the basement.
It's gonna be really hard getting to the top of the pyramid. We've actually never made it up there.
Yeah, I've never been up there, and I was a Project Zorgo member. All right, there's the elevators.
Oh, over here.
I think we have pretty good disguises, though.
We just gotta act natural.
Act like tourists. This hotel is so nice.
Yeah,
I sure do love our
I
room.
wonder who's the architect.
Okay, going.
Wait a minute.
I have an idea, Chad. One of my first missions as a spy ninja, I was sitting in the Tesla and I called V and I guided her down to this room with like a bunch of red coating and stuff. That's how we get into the basement. It's this way, Chad, look.
Whoa, Blue Man Group.
They play at the Black Pyramid. I wouldn't be surprised if they're hackers.
What's this?
This is it, Chad. Last time I told V, you gotta look for the code that's not in English. That'll unlock the door right over there. This is the door to the basement. It's locked right now, but no worries, because over here, look. So,
Spy Ninjas, if you can see the code that's not in English, let us know.
Daniel, I think everything is in English on this wall. I don't think any of these messages are what we're really looking for. So I just don't know what we're supposed to do. You know?
maybe it'll change.
What are you guys up to?
I'm just trying to use the elevator.
Up or down?
Up.
Hey, wait a second, lady.
Yeah?
Yes?
You two look like you got a good taste in food, so.
Oh.
Where should I go for lunch today?
Domino's. It's always good.
That's so easy. That's fine.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
The elevator.
Our elevator's here.
Here.
So,
Let's go.
okay, bye.
Bye.
person.
Thank you.
I can't believe our disguises worked.
I know. It's really good disguise,
I
guys.
had no idea it was us.
We're going up to the top, you guys. Oh, it's opening.
This isn't the top floor.
Yeah, why did it open then? Whoa.
Oh.
You want a battle royale, hacker?
No, you guys just aren't supposed to be here. You're supposed to go over there.
That's right. Oh, sorry, sir. We're just tourists, and we just here for the
show. For the Blue Man Group. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're big fans of the Blue Mans. Sorry, I must be in the wrong place.
Yeah, we came all the way from Ireland for vacation.
See you guys later then.
He didn't recognize us, Daniel. He thought we were tourists.
He really did.
This is awesome. This is
Disguises work great.
Okay, Daniel, since that didn't work, I found the stairwell. Let's go. This has gotta be the way to the basement. I'm so excited, Daniel, to finally see what happened to Regina on the day she got led into Project Zorgo. I wonder what happened to her.
I really thought that they erased everybody's memory the first day they joined. Regina has some memories. Doesn't really make much sense.
I don't know, maybe they used the B235.
Nice hair. I like its color.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Well, you need to show her where you get your hair done.
Oh.
That's rude.
Hi, I like your mask.
Thanks. I put on the lipstick myself.
What kind of lipstick do you use?
I use MAC. It wore off, so I use a permanent marker after.
Oh, that's really creative.
Guys, it's my stop. Bye.
Bye. Okay, we should go after it.
Okay, let's follow him.
Okay. He did something here. I thought maybe he would leave a clue or something. Just looks like trash.
Okay, let's keep looking.
Okay. Whoa. 409's meeting up with another hacker.
Okay, wait, let's listen to them.
Hey.
I just got news from leader that the spy ninjas are here in our home.
How does he know we're here?
Wait, no way. 409 didn't recognize us.
Yeah.
It must be Chad and Daniel.
No, did they get caught?
Oh no, they must have found out they're here.
We really can't get caught. That'd be bad.
We really can't get caught.
Hey,
Oh yes, the Blue Man Group. Yes, that's where I brought my binoculars. Gotta be able to see those blue mans.
You're nowhere near a theater. You gotta go down 3 more levels and then all the way to the other side of the building.
Oh yeah, we knew that. That's why we're taking this route. We're getting a little exercise, right? I smelled Daryl.
Well, you better get going.
Oh.
It's a long ways away from here.
What show are you part of? I want to see that show. You got a cool mask there.
Never mind what kind of show I'm on.
Okay.
You don't want to see it anyway.
Oh, it's not very good. Okay, well, let's go, Daryl.
Let's go, Steven.
He thinks we're tourists. This is perfect.
I guess.
There might be more hackers as we make our way down towards the basement.
Yeah, like that. Those hackers were getting lucky. They're not that smart.
Daniel, stop. Daniel, look at this. There's a hacker down there, right there. This hacker's got an envelope on him.
Yeah.
There's an envelope.
It says something on it. What does it say? Oh, your binoculars, Chad.
Oh, here, take the camera. PZ4.
That's what we need.
That's Regina.
Just like we found a bunch of envelopes about my past. Maybe that's a clue about her past.
Also, I have this. It has PZ4's files on here.
wait, they said my name.
Boom was giving 409 something.
I'm scared. I don't want it. It's too important. You keep it. Leader says keep it safe.
We gotta get that USB.
Yeah.
I know watch. You know watch. No one watch.
I won't watch it or I won't wash it.
Good enough.
Bye.
Boom just told 409 not to watch anything on the USB.
It must be something crazy then.
Something about you.
Oh my gosh.
Something really good and juicy, I bet.
Is watching what's on the USB.
Oh my gosh, she's not obeying the orders.
Hi, I'm Regina.
You must be Regina.
That's the girl that I totally did the B235 on. OMG. She doesn't even know what's coming.
That's my voice. We have to get that USB from
Definitely.
PZ409.
Yeah.
I totes had enough of this. I'm done.
Let's go.
So it seems like 409 doesn't really obey orders from the leader.
Yeah, he totally just watched the video.
I feel like if we can become BFF with 409, I think it will show what's on the USB. There she is. Let's just go up and talk to her. Yeah. Oh, excuse me, miss. Miss, hey.
Hey, girl.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey, remember us from the elevator?
It's you gals from the elevator.
Yeah, you know what? You seem like a really organized and very neat person, and I am too. And I haven't been able to find like a really good cleaning product.
Oh, I can't believe that you're actually asking me about cleaning supplies. OMG! First, I'd say don't use all organic. It's the only thing strong enough to kill 99.9%
of germs. Oh my gosh, we're like twins.
Do you want to see my cleaning supplies?
Yes, of course, I would love to.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Good job, B.
Thank you. It's working.
They must have caught word that we're trying to figure out Regina's past. So they're splitting up all of her evidence and giving it to various hackers.
We gotta find out what's in there.
You distract them with your tourist stuff, and I'll grab the envelope from them, okay?
It worked last time and it worked this time.
What's up? What's the matter?
Are these wigs itching you as much as they're itching me?
It is pretty itchy. You'll be a good tourist. Okay, stop itching.
Hey there, you lost or something?
Yeah, we're just on our way to the Blue Man Group. You know, we're all the way from Germany.
Okay, well, that's a good show, you know.
Yeah, it's really nice. I heard good reviews.
What's going on with your hair over here, though?
Oh, it's just nice blonde hair. That's all it is.
He's
You'll have to excuse my friend, you know, he thinks he's a 1980s rock star.
Yeah.
He was trying to dye his hair, and it didn't work out too well.
Do you think you're Bret Michaels or something, or what?
yeah,
here?
he does. He's a big fan.
Wait a minute, you didn't dye your hair, though. I see it's brown down here, and it looks fake up here.
Oh, I see. Let me just...
I know you. You're Daniel the Spy Ninja. No.
Gosh, your outfit is so monochromatic chic.
Oh, thanks!
Mono chic.
Mono chic, yeah!
What about my outfit?
I usually don't let tourists into my room, but you guys are so fabulous. At least she is anyway. Okay, ladies, we are at my room.
Oh.
People think it's just a hotel room, but for special members like myself.
Oh, you're a special member.
Welcome to my room!
Oh, so nice and clean.
Yes.
That's my favorite part. And that doesn't come with the room.
So, can I see your cleaning supplies?
Well, there is this one song I wanted to show you guys. It's called Dance Forever by
Hippo Disco. Oh my gosh.
You know Hippo Disco?
I know Hippo Disco. I didn't know you know too. I thought I was the only one.
It's like we just became BFFs.
What the heck? What about, I don't know, Hippo Disco?
I guess we can't get in on this handshake.
What is that song?
Here, I'll just play it. Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
You know the dance?
The dance?
The dance? Oh my gosh. I don't know the dance. I don't know the dance for Junior Brown.
Let's hit the dance move.
No, that's not Daniel. Let's give me that.
Go! I got the envelope, Daniel. Come on. Oh, he's coming.
Give me that.
He's never gonna catch us, Daniel. We're too fast.
Spy Ninjas, they took my envelope.
Daniel, he ran right by us. We got his envelope, easy for. Let's run the opposite way. Now we'll go up the stairs. Here, you take the envelope, open it up.
Let's see what's in there.
Wait a second, dude.
Who's that? It's some little boy.
What kind of shirt is that?
Wait, the teddy bear.
Teddy bear. It's like PZ4?
Wait, that does look like Regina.
You're right, it does.
Yeah, that smug little smile.
Yeah, she's a bear. She loves bears. Mr. Bear, her bear hoodie.
That's Regina when she was like a little kid.
I heard that Regina found a picture of her when she was a baby too. She was also wearing a bear shirt.
Yes.
This is definitely her.
I mean, we're finding all kinds of awesome things on the way down here, so if we keep going to the basement, we should be finding more stuff.
Girls, I think we really bonded with you. So I think we should get to know each other a little bit more and go around sharing our deepest, darkest secrets.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, I'll go first. So I'm really afraid of water. It's like my biggest fears. I once went into a pool and accidentally peed on it.
Ew!
It's kind of gross, but only you two knows about it. So just keep this a secret because we're like BFFs now.
I'll go next. I'll tell you guys something that no one knows about me. One time, I was a bad seed back then, and I stole Skittles from a grocery store.
That's bad.
That's it?
Oh.
Do you have a bigger secret than that?
Yeah, what's
what's
I've done far worse than that. But what I have today is a secret file that no one's supposed to watch.
Oh, can we watch it?
Yeah, we're like BFFs now. We can watch it together.
Only for my 2 newest BFFs. I just have to get my charger. My phone is low battery.
Okay. All right, cool.
Oh, nothing.
You didn't tell me that they were just extensions.
Well, they're like really expensive extensions.
Expensive? Quaint? You guys lied to me!
Is this the bottom floor?
There's no more steps after this. This is the door to the basement. Let's open it.
What? Come on, Daniel. Use your muscles.
It's locked, Chad.
Why are all the doors to the basements locked?
Do you know how to like lockpick or something like that?
V does. V's a master lockpicker. Let me call her on the phone here and have her meet us here, and she can open up this door.
Give me your phone. Oh, if it isn't the most handsome and ridiculous Chadwell Clay.
Hey, give me back my phone.
409.
You want to say hi to them?
Chad, help us. We're tied up.
They try to fool me.
No! Oh no!
Just wait until Project Zorgo hears about this.
What?
Get us out!
Yeah, 409, untie us right now.